Hi, I am Umar Javed from CyberPanel. In this video, we will explore the potential of WordPress user roles. WordPress user roles are predefined sets of permissions that determine what action different users can perform on a WordPress website. These roles help administrators control access and delegate responsibilities effectively. There are several default user roles in WordPress, each with its own set of capabilities: administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, and super admin role. User roles in WordPress serve as a foundation for controlling access, managing content, and maintaining security within your website. Whether you are a solo blogger, a small business owner, or a part of a large organization, understanding user roles is crucial for security, workflow optimization, content management, compliance, and governance and user experience enhancement. By understanding the different WordPress user roles, you can assign appropriate access levels to your team members and maintain the security and functionality of your website. First, let's talk about administrator. In a standard WordPress website, the administrator role holds the highest level of authority among WordPress user roles. Administrators can perform various crucial tasks such as creating new posts, editing any user's post, and deleting posts. Moreover, administrators have the capability to install, modify, and remove plugins and themes, granting them significant control over the website functionality and appearance. Perhaps most importantly, admin users have the privilege to add and remove other users, and they can also update user information, including passwords. Typically, this role is meant to be assigned to site owners as it gives full control over the WordPress blog. With that said, you must be careful about who you assign the administrator role to in a multi-user WordPress site, as it grants extensive powers that could impact the website's integrity and security. Second is editor. This role is a bit restrictive compared to the previous two we looked at. The editor role in WordPress grants user complete control over the website's content sections. They can add, edit, publish, and delete any posts, including those authored by others. Editors also have the ability to moderate, edit, and delete comments. However, they do not have access to site settings, plugin installation, theme customization, or user management. Their authority is focused on managing content-related tasks like posts, pages, and comments. Third is author. This author role in WordPress user roles is more limited than the editor role. Authors can write, edit, and publish their own posts, but do not have the ability to manage users' posts, approve or delete comments, or manage pages. They can choose from existing categories when writing posts and can add tags to their content. Authors can view comments but not moderate, approve, or delete them. This role does not provide access to site settings, plugins, or themes except for the ability to delete their own published posts. Fourth is contributor. The contributor role in WordPress allows users to create, edit, and delete their own content, but they cannot publish or manage their posts after publishing. They have the ability to add new posts and edit their own posts but are restricted from publishing any content. Contributors can select from existing categories and create tags for their posts. However, the biggest limitation of this role is that the contributors cannot upload files, meaning they cannot add images to their posts. While they can view all website comments, they do not have the authority to approve or delete comments. Additionally, contributors lack access to website settings, plugins, and themes, so they cannot change the site's configurations. Fourth is subscriber. Subscribers to WordPress have limited access to and can only view published posts and comment on the website. They can manage their own profile section on the dashboard. This user role benefits membership sites, online stores, or any website where users must register and log in to access content and interact with the community. Fifth is super admin role. The super admin role is exclusive to WordPress multi-site networks. Users assigned the super admin role possess extensive control over the multi-site network. They have the authority to both add and delete sites within the network, facilitating the management of its structure. Additionally, super admins can install plugins and themes network-wide, enabling consistent functionality and design across all sites. Furthermore, they hold the capability to add users to the network and execute network-wide actions, providing centralized administrations for efficient multi-site operations. Now, let's talk about assigning WordPress user roles. Assigning user roles in WordPress is essential for managing access and permissions effectively. Here is a step-by-step procedure on how to assign WordPress user roles. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard with your administrator credentials. Locate the Users option on the sidebar menu and click on All Users. This will display a list of all the users registered on your WordPress site. Find the user to whom you want to assign a role from the list displayed. Hover over the user's name to reveal options, then click on Edit. The two types of WordPress user roles are default and the custom user roles. Let's discuss them both. Default user roles are predefined by a WordPress and offer varying levels of access and capabilities. They include subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator, which is a super admin for multi-site installations. Each role inherits the permissions of the roles below it, with the administrator having the highest authority, while custom user roles allows you to create custom user roles tailored to your website's specific requirements. With custom roles, you can define precise sets of permissions and access levels for different users groups. So, how to add, edit, or delete WordPress user roles? Managing WordPress user roles can be simplified with the help of plugins, especially when handling complex permission settings. Among the available options, the WordPress User Role Editor plugin stands out for its user-friendly interface and robust features. Here's how to use it. Install and activate the plugin. Head to the WordPress repository and install the WordPress User Role Editor plugin. After activation, access the plugin settings via User Role Editor in the WordPress admin dashboard. Select the role to modify. Within the plugin interface, you will find a list of existing WordPress user roles. Choose the role you want to edit. The plugin displays the current capabilities assigned to the selected role. You can rename or modify capabilities by selecting or deselecting checkboxes. Navigate through different groups, example plugins, themes, to customize specific permissions. Update the changes to apply the modified capabilities to the selected role. If you need to create a new role, simply click on the Add Role button, provide a unique role name, and display role name for the new role. Choose an existing role to copy from, which will serve as the basis for the new role. Once created, you can customize the new role's capabilities similar to existing roles. The plugin facilitates the creation of the custom roles tailored to your specific needs. To delete a user role, navigate to the All Users section in the WordPress admin menu. Select the delete link beneath the desired role, bearing in mind that certain roles may be protected from deletion for security purposes. A pop-up box will appear. Proceed by clicking OK to confirm the deletion of the role. User assigned to this role will be automatically reassigned to the subscriber role or whichever role is designated as a default. So, how to create custom WordPress user roles? Creating custom user roles in WordPress provides flexibility in assigning specific permissions tailored to your site's needs. Here's how you can create custom user roles using a plugin. Navigate to role creation. Start by accessing your WordPress web dashboard and go to the plugin interface. For instance, if you are using the Members plugin, you would navigate to Members, add new role, give your new role a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. For example, you might create a developer role for WordPress developers. The plugin interface typically organizes capabilities into sections. Select the appropriate sections based on the permission you want to grant to the custom role. For instance, if you are creating a developer role, you might want to grant capabilities related to theme management, such as editing, installing, and updating themes. Once you have assigned the desired capabilities, click the Add Role or similar button to save the custom role. After creating the custom role, you can assign it to a specific users. Navigate to Users, Add New to create a new user or edit an existing user profile. In the user profile setting, locate the user roles section at the bottom. Check the box corresponding to the custom role you created earlier. Click the Add New User button to save the changes. By following these steps, you can create custom user roles in WordPress and assign them to users as needed. Other than the Users Role Editor and Members plugins that are discussed earlier, here are top 4 WordPress user role plugins that offer diverse features for controlling user access and permission. First is WP User Manager. Second is Publish Press Capabilities. Third is User Profile Builder. And fourth is Advanced Access Manager. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.